Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Samsung TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. Start your Samsung TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to the apps section. In the apps section, locate and select the search icon. Type Paramount Plus into the search bar. Select the Paramount Plus app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch the Paramount Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new account. Once logged in, you may need to activate your device. On the activation screen, you will see a code displayed. Use a smartphone or computer to navigate to the activation website provided. Enter the code from your Samsung TV on the activation page. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation. Once activated, return to your Samsung TV. You should now have full access to all Paramount Plus content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.